What's up, familia? ¿Cómo están? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessica, and today I have another unboxing for you. I just received this box. Can we talk about packaging for a second? This is literally kitchenware. This is cookware for your kitchen. I mean, I'm all about style and I want my kitchen to look good, and this looks so cute. I want like a shirt and a dress in this color. I just got the red hot wok from Maiden and I'm going to unbox this for you guys, and I haven't even looked at it. I haven't even opened this, so we're gonna do this together. We're gonna see how it works. I'm gonna start cooking with it. I actually did another unboxing of their frying pan, so I'll put that link up here. It's in Spanish, but I'm also cooking with that one right now, so I want to like get to know this brand a little bit more, and I hope you guys are loving it too. And let's just get into it. All right, let's see. Let's open this bad puppy up. Woo! Always feels like Christmas. Oh my gosh, are you ready? Woo! This is really nice. Woks are a chef's go-to pan for stir fry. Not only is a wok made to get very hot, but its shape allows for tons of movement, which is the key to good stir fry. As you move the food around the pan, you'll create hot, tender, yet crisp vegetables and proteins in a flash. The Wok Duck, how cute. Here's a little booklet that it comes with. So this one has instructions on before using it, how to season it, and it also has the recommended oils that you use, and also explains what stir fry done right is like, I guess, which is nice. Do's and don'ts with this pan as well, which is really cool. So it's a lot of information which is given, and I like that it's not, have you ever seen those, like when you buy any sort of appliance or even kitchen tools itself, like you get like the white booklet with the black writing in like 3 different languages, and then it's just like, it's boring. I like this. So the pan, let's look at the pan. This thing is nice. It's like kind of heavy, but it's not crazy. I mean, in my last review of their frying pan, it was really comparable to a cast iron pan. And cast iron pans, as you know, are super heavy, and they're just super heavy. So this, I would say it's a huge, I mean, it's a much bigger pan than the frying pan. It's super deep, so I can tell why I'm feeling it a little heavy. You know, I'm pulling it in my arms a little bit. But yeah, let's open this guy up. Woo-hoo-hoo. This. Okay, so here is the pan itself. Look at that dome shape here. That's really cool. So this is 12.5 inches and it's also made in France. So as you can see, my hands are a little bit black, I guess you can say it. So this is the carbon steel, the coating that they have on their pans. I know this because of the other pan that I received, so I'm not like upset or like mad at it, okay? Like this isn't a weird thing at all. Let me tell you about why. So I'm gonna go here to their website. I wanna give you all the facts, the real facts, you know. The product specs for this blue carbon steel wok are that it's a 2mm thick blue carbon steel. It's built with a flat bottom for home kitchens, exceptional heat control and retention, seasons quicker than cast iron, and it's made in France. So why would I choose this pan over any other pan, let's just say, or their other woks? Because there are different types of woks. Woks are really made in cast iron, or they're also now made in so many different materials, like even Teflon coated. I don't know if I said that right. Just regular steel pans, or there's just so many different materials that woks are made out of. The blue carbon steel is what makes it super unique and what makes it, I think, different. I know this from using their frying pan, so I'm excited to see how this works in a wok shape. So what is blue carbon steel, right? Basically means that it has properties of a regular steel pan and also a cast iron pan. So for example, it has exceptional heat capacity. So you can get the perfect sear, the perfect char with this pan, and it heats up really quickly, kind of like a steel pan does. So it's also oven safe, just like a cast iron and some steel pans. So you can heat up to 1200 degrees Fahrenheit. Whoa. So the reason why my hands got a little bit blue or black from, you know, touching the pan was because of their blue heat treatment. So they don't use any coatings like Teflon or anything like that. Their natural blue heat treatment basically prevents rust. This is similar to a cast iron pan where you do need to season the pan and keep it seasoned and oil it. So I really like that from a cast iron pan. So I think it's really cool that a steel pan like this can have those properties where you can continue seasoning your pan and keep those like natural flavors from every meal and make amazing food that way. I want to show you guys a close-up of the pan just so you guys can see it for yourself. So as you can see, the inside of the pan has kind of like that bluish tint. That is that natural coating or that natural blue heat treatment that I was talking about earlier. I really like the shape of this pan. I have to say I like that there is this little divot at the top. I don't know, some of the woks that I've worked with in the past have been completely like all the way rounded out that way, and I felt maybe this will prevent me from my food flying out because I'm not a chef. You know, I'm definitely a home cook. Here's the bottom of the pan. As you can see, the handle here has these bolts on the edge. It looks really, really secure. It looks like very well made. I love the sturdiness of this handle. It's the same as the handle in the frying pan as well. It's very, very nice. And I love their little logo stamp. It's just very minimal, the little M. So if you are used to a cast iron pan, if you're used to using those kind of types of pans, even a steel pan, because it has those similar properties, taking care of this pan will be very, very similar and come natural to you and very easy. I can see if you've never used those kind of pans and you're used to using maybe a Teflon or a other style pan, it might be, a learning process, but I think it would be worth it because I feel like this pan, it's promising a lot. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's promising the cast iron properties of heat retention, of non-stick, and also seasoning. And it also has the stainless steel properties of heat control, lightness, so it's not super heavy, and cooking speed, so cooking super fast. I don't know, it's a lot. I feel like this might be a pan that I will use every day. I'm not sure, because I have a cast iron pan that I use that is super large. It's like the largest one. It's all flat though. It's not a wok or anything like that. And I use that one on a regular basis for everything from stir fry to searing to making risotto to like doing all types of things at home. So I'm curious to see if this will be something that could potentially even replace that too, because it's not as heavy and it has all the same things that I can do with a cast iron pan, and the fact that I can maybe easily fry on this and not have it take forever to season. I'm excited about that. So we'll see how it works. I hope you guys loved this unboxing. I will be cooking with this today, so I'll have that recipe out for y'all soon just so you could see the little wok in action, right? We need to see how it works. So stay tuned for that. Thank you so much for joining me in unboxing it together. I love doing that. So if you love these unboxings, let me know. Thank you so much, Maiden, for sending this to me. I'm so excited to use it. I'm so excited to see what it has to offer. And it just might be my new favorite. We'll see. So I'm gonna get cooking. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you've tried Maiden before or what types of recipes you wanna see or recommend in a wok. And subscribe if you want to, of course. I would love you to be a part of this growing family I have here on YouTube. Thank you so much again. And until the next video, ciao. Let's go cook. Teflon, is it Teflon or Teflon? Let me look it up. It's protected. Oh, is that a train? Let's see my form. Oh my God, I'm so hot.